Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this gold, peach, and pink cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I tape off the edges of my eyes. Then I use the Juvia's Place Berries palette for the burgundy shade, and I start to create the cut crease shape. Then I begin to add more color and blend it out. Next, using the Juvia's Place Pinks palette, I'm using the light pink shade to blend out the darker one. Next, with makeup remover and Q-tips, I cut the crease. Then I go over that area with concealer. Next, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette for the shade Primavera, which is a light sparkly gold shade, and I'm using this color on the inner corners. Next, using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I'm using the sparkly peachy pink color, and I'm using this in the middle of the eye. Then using the Berries palette again, I'm using the dark sparkly pink shade for the outer corners. I'm using some of the darker pink shade we used before underneath the eye. For the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and topping with false lashes. Then I'm using a Maybelline Stay Matte Ink Pink Liquid Lipstick. And that completes this gold, peach, and pink makeup look. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.